In a groundbreaking development that has sent waves of hope through Britain's senior community, the Department for Work and Pensions has unveiled a transformative initiative that could see eligible seniors over 60 receive an unexpected £3,000 boost to their state pension. This remarkable announcement comes with the backing of Labour leader Keir Starmer, signalling a rare moment of cross-party consensus on pension reform. The news has sparked widespread interest among seniors nationwide, who have long grappled with rising living costs and economic uncertainties in their retirement years. The initiative represents a significant shift in how the government approaches retirement support, particularly for those entering their golden years. As inflation continues to impact household budgets and everyday expenses soar, this additional pension provision could not have come at a more crucial time. Senior citizens across the United Kingdom have been particularly vulnerable to economic pressures, often having to make difficult choices between heating their homes and putting food on the table. This new measure aims to alleviate such concerns and provide a much-needed financial cushion. What makes this development particularly noteworthy is its comprehensive approach to addressing the needs of seniors over 60. Unlike previous pension adjustments, this initiative takes into account the diverse circumstances of retirees and acknowledges the varying challenges faced by different demographic groups within the senior population. The DWP's decision to implement this change reflects a growing awareness of the importance of supporting older citizens who have contributed to society throughout their working lives. The timing of this announcement has generated significant interest, especially given the current economic climate. With many seniors concerned about their financial security, this £3,000 boost represents more than just monetary support. It is a recognition of their lifetime contributions to British society. The decision to set the eligibility age at 60 has been particularly well received, as it acknowledges that many individuals face financial challenges even before reaching the standard retirement age. Labour leader Keir Starmer's endorsement of this initiative marks a significant moment in British politics. His support demonstrates a growing consensus across the political spectrum about the urgent need to address pension adequacy. Starmer's backing has lent additional credibility to the scheme and helped assuage concerns about its long-term sustainability. This cross-party support suggests that the initiative is likely to remain in place regardless of future political changes, providing seniors with much-needed certainty about their financial future. The implementation process has been carefully designed to ensure that eligible seniors can access these benefits with minimal bureaucratic hurdles. The DWP has streamlined the application procedure, making it more accessible for those who might otherwise struggle with complex paperwork or digital systems. This thoughtful approach to administration demonstrates a genuine commitment to ensuring that the support reaches those who need it most, rather than getting caught up in red tape. Financial experts have praised the structure of this pension boost, noting its potential to create lasting positive impacts on seniors' financial well-being. The £3,000 figure was not arrived at arbitrarily. It represents a carefully calculated amount that can make a meaningful difference in recipients' lives while remaining fiscally responsible. This balance between generosity and sustainability has been crucial in garnering widespread support for the initiative. The announcement has sparked discussions about the broader implications for retirement planning in the United Kingdom. Many financial advisors are now encouraging their clients to review their retirement strategies in light of this development. The additional £3,000 could significantly impact how seniors approach their retirement savings and investment decisions, potentially providing them with more flexibility in their financial planning. Communities across Britain have responded positively to the news, with local support groups and senior centres actively working to spread awareness about the initiative. The response has been particularly strong in areas with high concentrations of senior citizens, where the impact of this boost could be most significantly felt. Local councils and community organisations are mobilising to ensure that eligible seniors are informed about their entitlements and supported through the application process. The ripple effects of this pension boost extend beyond individual beneficiaries. Local economies, particularly in areas with large senior populations, are expected to benefit from the increased spending power of recipients. This economic stimulus effect could help support local businesses and services, creating a positive cycle of community development and economic growth. Healthcare professionals have also welcomed the initiative, noting that financial security often correlates with better health outcomes among senior citizens. the stress reduction associated with improved financial stability can have significant positive impacts on both physical and mental health. This connection between financial well-being and health outcomes adds another important dimension to the benefits of this pension boost. Looking ahead, the DWP has indicated that this initiative is part of a broader strategy to modernize and strengthen the United Kingdom's pension system. The success of this program could pave the way for further reforms and improvements in how the country supports its aging population. The collaborative approach taken in developing and implementing this initiative could serve as a model for future policy developments. For many seniors, this pension boost represents more than just financial support. It is an acknowledgement of their value to society and their right to a dignified retirement. The initiative has sparked conversations about the importance of supporting older citizens and ensuring that they can maintain a good quality of life in their later years. These discussions are crucial for shaping future policy decisions and ensuring that the needs of seniors remain a priority in political discourse. As awareness of this initiative continues to grow, community leaders and advocacy groups are working to ensure that no eligible senior misses out on this important opportunity. The emphasis on accessibility and inclusive communication strategies demonstrates a commitment to reaching all eligible individuals, regardless of their circumstances or technological literacy. The pension boost has also highlighted the changing nature of retirement in modern Britain, with many people working longer or taking on part-time roles after the official retirement age. This initiative provides valuable support during the transition period. It acknowledges that the path to retirement is no longer as straightforward as it once was and provides crucial support during this important life stage. The response from the business community has been largely positive, with many employers recognizing the potential benefits for their older workers and recent retirees. Some companies have even begun incorporating information about this pension boost into their retirement planning services, helping to ensure that their employees are well informed about their entitlements. International observers have shown interest in this initiative, with several countries closely monitoring its implementation and impact. The United Kingdom's approach to supporting its senior citizens could serve as a model for other nations grappling with similar demographic challenges. This international attention underscores the significance of the initiative and its potential to influence pension policy beyond British borders.